Today's video is on location and transformation for Year 4 students. The ACARA content descriptor is ACMMG090. It's to use simple scales, legends, and directions to interpret information contained in basic maps. And the elaboration for that is to use compass directions or directions to interpret the information from a map. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Our waltz for today is to understand and interpret compass directions on a simple map to get from one place to the other. And our WILF, our success criteria is, can you use your knowledge of compass directions and compasses to interpret and use a simple map? And my feedback from the last few videos was the order of my learning activities needed to flow more rather than just jumping onto a topic. I needed some clear learning objectives, which is what I've put, and I need to focus on just one activity, which is what I'm going to be doing. So Year 4, this morning we're going to be looking at our compass directions, which we've been learning about recently. And Mrs. Harris is just getting the camera set up. So we remember that we can use this, which is our compass, to find and locate different locations on a map or to locate different objects on a map. And I've actually made it bigger for you here so we can see north is going that way, east is going this way, we've got south, which is going towards me this way, west, which goes this way, and then we've got all of these little in-between ones that point towards as if you were going north but east as well. So if you were going diagonally, that's what we call a diagonal line, isn't it? So instead of just going this way, we're actually going diagonally that way. And you would know diagonal lines from your measurement and from other parts of maths. So today we're going to be looking at this worksheet here, and we're going to be doing one or two of these questions here, and then I'm going to get you guys to do it on your own in groups or individually, however you choose. So firstly, let's have a look at this map here, or this grid map. Let's work it out together. So let's look at some of the instructions. It says to follow the compass directions. So the directions, compass directions. And we can use this bigger enlarged one is here as well, to write down what can be found at each location. So let's do a recap of how to use a grid map. So when we have a point on a grid map, look at the first one here, so B1, how would we use that? What means B1? Yeah, that's right. B1 means a point on this map, and we look at both the letters and the numbers to find B1, or to find whatever the location point is. So let's go B1. Can someone tell me how I find B1? Yep, so I go B, so where's B? Here, and 1 is here. So B1 would be here. So we're doing the first one now. So if we're starting at B1, so remember B1's this one, B1, and we move 4 squares north. Ooh, so where's north? Let's have a look. So north is that way, and if we're at B1, yeah, we'd be going this way, wouldn't we? So if we're moving 4 squares north, 4 squares east, and 2 squares northeast. So let's go 4 squares north. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're at 4 squares north. Now we're going 4 squares east. So east is this one here, so we're going this way. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. So here's 4 squares east. And then we're going 2 squares northeast. So can someone tell me where northeast is? So if we're going northeast, northeast is here, and E, isn't it? So if we're at this point, we need to be going this way. So we're going 1, 2 squares northeast. Where are we? What does this look like here? Looks a little bit like a crab, doesn't it? Right, so we're going to go, we're at the crab. Let's do one more together and then I'm going to get you guys to do the rest. So we're going to the second one. So we're starting at G8. So can someone tell me where G8 is, please? Yep, so we've got to find G, it's here. We've got G. I'm going to put my finger on G and then we're at 8. 8 is all the way up here, so we've got to go G and then 8, and we're up here. So if we're at G8, we need to move 3 squares southwest. So where's southwest? Can someone tell me from our compass? So if we're here, southwest, so it looks like we need to go this way, doesn't it? So, if we are at G8 and we're moving 3 squares southwest, so we're going this way. So we're going 1, 2, 3. And then we need to move 3 squares south. So south is, yeah, everyone knows where south is. South is this way, isn't it? So we're going 1, 2, 3. And then we're moving 2 squares east. Remember the east is that way, isn't it? Yeah, that's east. So moving 2 squares, 1, 2. We land on the whale. I think that's a whale. Yeah. All right. So guys, I think we've got the idea. I think we need to have a go at C and D on our own. And then I'm going to come around and have a look and see how everyone's going. And then we might do E together. And then we will look at the other part of the worksheet afterwards.